Hey blessed mamas, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. I am so glad that you guys tuned in with me today. I know I have been not doing my best on these videos, you guys. I am so sorry. But running a business and on YouTube and having 3 kids is not easy, okay? It is not easy. I'm gonna have to do like a day in a life video for you guys with me tackling my house, my kids, my business, all that stuff. So we're gonna put that in the work so you guys can see what it's like on a daily to do this. But as you guys can tell by the title, I have a new vendor for you guys. So I know I'm just starting out, but like everybody else, I started out with TKB Trading. Obviously because they're the best, okay? TKB Trading is the best of the best. And everybody wants TKB Trading. Unfortunately though, with this whole COVID thing going on, they have been taking longer to ship out. So, and all of that, but they only offer 3 sizes. And they offer the 5.5 ounce bag, and then they offer the 3.5 pound bag, and then the 30 pound bag. Sorry, I mean the 30 pound bucket. Well, your girl is just starting. I surpassed the 5.5 ounce bag, and I surpassed the 3.5 pound bag. But I am nowhere near ready to spend about $500 or over $500 on the 30 pound bucket yet. I'm just not there. And I added it up, and to literally buy, let's say, the last bucket that I had was like, I got a 6 pound bucket. So I added it up, and to get like 2 3.5 pound bags, it would have been more than to get the 6 pound bucket that I got. But now your girl has surpassed the 6 pound bucket. So I am coming to you guys with a new vendor that I have chosen to use. I have a whole video coming out of different free vendors for you guys when it comes to base, who I've tried, who I like, and just some of my overall experiences. So that is going to come at a later date, but this video is just all about these people right here. This is all about this right here. Sorry, I had to do some adjustments and stuff, but you guys can see like how tight this is right now. This is the 12 pound bucket, and it comes all nice and tightly wrapped, which none of the other vendors that I have done this. So I absolutely love that. Ugh. Okay, and now you guys probably already know who this vendor is though, because I'm sure that you've seen these black buckets around before. But this is No Problema, or No Prob Llama. This is No Prob Llama, and this is their 12 pound base. Now I chose them just because I needed I needed a bigger base, like, and I also need some scissors. Let's see guys, I needed more base, but I didn't need the 30 pound. Now I love TKB Trading, and they have always been super fast with my base, and with any of my orders during this whole pandemic. My baby is coming. Hey, Bill. So I love TKB, and they've always been super fast with my orders. I have not had any problems. The only thing is with them only offering ew, sticky. With them only offering those 3 sizes, and then me feeling like I'm not fully ready. What in the, how do you open these? Ugh. And with me feeling like I'm just not fully ready to get the 30-pound bucket yet. I'm not making that much money yet to where I'm ready to like, oh yeah, let me go ahead and invest in this 30-pound bucket. So this 12-pound bucket was actually just right. The price was right. It was $180 for 12 pounds. And it was free shipping, which is awesome because most places you're going to pay around the same amount for this, but shipping is not going to be free. So, you can't open it. I want to open it to like show you guys, but this bucket is just so hard. Like, I was hoping I could pull, it says pull tab and tear around. Unfortunately, I'm just not that strong, so I think I'm going to have to like cut all around here. Oh, hi baby. What you doing? Yeah, like your girl is just not that strong, so we just going to cut. Why do they make these buckets just like so terrible? Finally got the thingy off the bucket, which was, it's not terrible, but I'm not strong, so whatever. But I am gonna show you. Here we go. And it doesn't look any different than TKB trading, to be honest. So just a little bit about the company where I got this. Just a little bit about the company that I got this base from. So the name is No Prob Llama, of course, like I said before. You can find them on Etsy. They have a shop on Etsy, and their shop is actually not called No Prob Llama, but it is called Divine Sensations. But if you did go to Etsy and you typed in No Prob Llama, their base and their items would actually still pop up. So what I love about this company is they actually have 4, maybe 5 different sizes. Now I know that they did have a 5.5 ounce bag. I'm not sure if they still have that. I looked around on their Etsy store and I did not see that 5.5 ounce bags. I don't know if they just discontinued those or what, but they have a 12 ounce bag, and I have my notes out here because I don't be wanting to get anything wrong, but they have a 12 ounce for $12.99, and then they have 3.5 bag for $59.99, and then they have 12 pounds, of course, like I have, for $180, and then they have the 30-pound bucket for $420. And the best thing that I want to say about them is once you go 12 pounds and up, the shipping is free. So that is awesome right there. Right there, that makes them cheaper than TKB Trading, just alone on the fact that their shipping is free. And they also offer different lip gloss flavors. I heard that their scents smell good. I have not had their scents yet, but I have heard that their watermelon scent is amazing. They have a lot of other scents as well. They have a lot of other scents as well, and I've heard that they're all good. They also have lip oils, and they have tubes for sale. So you guys go ahead on over and check them out. Divine Sensations or No Problem on Etsy. Okay guys, so pretty much that is it for this video. My kids honestly want some attention, and it's really hard filming on the days where my fiance is not here to help. And so whenever my kids start coming into the room when I'm filming and they want attention, I honestly put the camera down and I give them the attention that they need. So I hope that this video was really helpful, which they did let me get the high points and peaks with you guys. So I will do a video on me using this and showing you guys the consistency. This has no oils in it. I know some companies will put mineral oil in this. This has no oils in it, and from what I can see, it has literally the same it has the same ingredients as TKB Trading's Versagel has, from what I can see. So I'm really excited to try this out, like I said, and thank you, baby. And I will be doing a video on me using this for you guys later, and that'll be in a separate video. But I will see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'm gonna put their link down below, but you can find you can find them on Etsy, of course, and it will be under No Problem, or you can just look up under Divine Sensations and it will take you to the whole store. I love you guys. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Do not forget to shop my store, you guys. It is www.blessedmammabeauty.myshopify.com. I would love it if you guys would shop with me. Show me some support on my new business. If there's any other videos that you want to see, whether it's pertaining to my business, lip gloss or not, let me know. I'm trying to do a lot of entrepreneur life videos for you guys, so if there's anything that you guys want to see in particular, you want to see how I get it all done, or if you guys just want to see me make some lip gloss, please just let me know. Yes, put your videos down and below in the comments, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.